This is the speed. Right here tells you I'm on 100 tempo. I'm not gonna go that fast, but this is the tempo marker here. I'm gonna put it at 90, like right there. And then this is the forward-backward switch. Right now, if I was to pump it, it would rewind it. So that's a rewind, but this is play. So just kind of like your old VCRs, right? Rewind, play. And it's kind of funny because newbies, they'll forget to put it on play, and they'll start pumping and just rewind, and I laugh at them. So you hit play, and now the next tricky part, it's not even tricky, but some people have a difficulty. You want to pump regularly like this, okay? You can pump harder, it's okay, you're not going to hurt anything. But if you're doing, here, let me get rid of that. I'll just show you this. If you're hitting the bottom like this, you hear yourself hitting the bottom, you're losing pressure. You want to more like this. If you hit, so what happens, you'll start working and start going funk, and then you start losing pressure. You need to bring it all the way back, alternating feet, and it's pretty easy. So put that on there. Get this on there. Put this here. I've already set the tempo. Cover the things. Go forward. And that's it. And start pumping. You can adjust the timing. Hit the rewind. Now I ask people to all use one pedal when they're rewinding. You can use two, but they just tend to go too fast. So I just ask do one. If you go too fast, it takes a little bit out of alignment, you start tearing up the edges. But just one is fine enough to get to there. And hook it. There you go. Who's going to choose the first one?